Hello, Shakil once again. Welcome to my another testing tutorial by Jest and React testing library. So in this tutorial, we are talking about the setup and tear down. So first of all, we need to know what is setup and tear down. Setup and tear down is some functionality that we need to run before or after is test. So what the documentation is telling us, let's explore it. Often while writing test, you have some setup work that needs to happen before test runs, and you have some finishing work that needs to happen after test runs. Just provide helper functions to handle this. So this is before is and after is. So another in good term to make you understand, I want to say that say we have some codes that we are writing in. This is redundant code, we are writing render app, and three tests we are running the same thing. So if you run some functionality that we want to write here, and it will run before or after is code. So how can we do that? This is called setup and tear down. Okay, to get rid of redundancy. So you can write the code inside the describe block or outside the describe block globally. So first of all, let declare a variable app component. Component, right? So app component, and before is before is we want to run app component and render app. Okay, and test will fail. No problem, don't worry, because the app is getting two times, it's rendering two times, so that's why it is failing. And is after is app component, and we need to unmount. It will stop working. We need to unmount. Okay, I think this is what this will work. Unmount, and what we need to do, we have to get rid of redundant work like rendering app. I think the test will passed. Let's see. Boom, our test is passing. So what we did over here, you see, this is a quick recap. Excuse me. We want to get rid of redundant work, we are removing all the rendering all apps. So we are running before is. This component is running before every test, and after is running after every test. To make it more clear, so console log something. Console log this will run before is test. Console log this will run after is test, and see the console log. That's why you can make you good understanding. I'm console logging it. You see, this test will run. This will run before is test. This will run before is test, and this will run after is test. So to give you a good graphs or understanding, I'm console log it. So this is for the clarity purpose, not needed. So I think you have understand. So this is setup and tear down, very important features of Jest as it relevant to our code. So I am make you understand the setup and tear down by breaking the serial is because it is now relevant and it's understanding quite easy. So to get some redundant work, you can write before is. This before is will run before every test, and upon completion it will unmount, it will disconnect what we have using, what we have used. Okay, so all our test passed. So no more today. This is all about so we have learned two things. Another one is describe block to make good things together, and another one is before is and after is. So in the next tutorial we'll discuss with any new topics and make you understand and make your test passed. So no more today. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. It will be a wonderful journey, and at the end of this tutorial you would get a full-blown test completion website, portfolio website, fully tested by Jest and React testing library. So stay tuned, stay connected. See you soon. Thank you very much.